Then of course you're talking about a turning centre, and here we've got twin spindle turning, we've got a flatbed base which is very low to the ground as well, so you can get rid of any of the vibration in the machining process. Now the machine is really built for, you know, high value parts, and that's where it fits in the marketplace. If you've got materials like Intoco supply here, they are perfect for this type of machine.
The Shaviv brand, it's a Vargus brand, but maybe you can tell us more.
Yep, so Shaviv is the leading deburring solutions in the world. We solely base ourselves on hand deburring. There are various other methods out there, but that is what we do. We are able to offer almost 100 blades, sets and kits, all UK stock for next day delivery. We can cover most applications that you'll see, if not all.
How do you go about programming something like this, Mark?
So it's very time consuming. I had to do a lot of the modelling on this as well, so we got a very basic model from the customer. I probably spent in excess of 100 hours remodelling it to get it to something that we could machine, which was all done through HyperCAD-S. And then, yeah, many hours programming and playing around to get it right.
And for the past 3 years, Rob here has invested in a brand new machine. And every single year, you've gone for a Nakamura. Why is that?
Well, we bought our first one, as you say, about 3 years ago, and I was really impressed with the quality, the build, and the name that Nakamura had. And it was our first foray into buying from ETG, and I've been very impressed with what I've seen so far.
My question to you, Les, is how does this material machine?
It's one of the hardest questions to answer, and we get asked it an awful lot in the sales division. Special alloys, complex alloys such as 718 and 625 are by nature high nickel alloys, and the answer is almost impossible to give. It's not like machining mild steels or stainless steels. So each facet of machining, such as boring, turning, milling, tapping, is a different answer. So what we try to do is collaborate and with some special skills here, the work holding, the cutting tools, to try and demonstrate the complexities of machining this material and how you can overcome those complexities.
It's a sunny day in Sheffield and we're here at Ward High Tech. A sunny day, but a great day. Why is that, Julian?
It's a fantastic day, Lindsay, and we've got 5 machines leaving us today, heading for one customer over on the East Coast. We're really excited.
So Roy, we're here today at Eurospot to talk about the tap remover. So talk to me in basics, what actually happens?
So you break a tap at the end of a process and you think, what do I do now? This thing uses spark erosion to disintegrate the tap, so you can pick it out and save your hole, save the thread.
But what's fascinating in this is there's also the flip side of this that I'm hearing from quite a few machine tool suppliers that we had engagements planned with to film certain machines, that they've not arrived yet. They've not arrived. They're held up with all of what's been going on with Brexit. So there are companies that have got stock and there are companies that are waiting for their stock to come in. And I think, you know, I'm not going to dismiss the fact that the Huachon and the Dali machines are popular machines here and around the world, but having kit there ready to go must be, you know, must give you a fantastic advantage, especially with this new super deduction scheme that's come into play from April the 1st. People ready to go, press buttons on, that haven't invested in the last year or so, they're ready to do it. So companies that have got kit, and I think Ward High Tech really wanted to get that message out, and I'm sure Lyndsey and Chloe.
Have you seen our man, Tony Gunn, on his travels in the US? Now, this man is delivering some of the best digital content that we've seen for some time across our platforms. Tony has years of experience working around the globe talking technologies, or as he likes to describe it, the meat and potatoes of engineering. Get involved with MTD wherever you are in the world. We have the channel, the team, and the knowledge to make the necessary impact that you need to get your technologies to market. The world has changed, and so should your marketing habits. Get in touch and get on our channels.